Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. In the vlog, I want to explore Colaba Causeway and pretty much the entire Colaba shopping and eat something at Cafe Leopold. So that's pretty much what I want to do today. Thank you for tuning into the vlog. I'll see you through it. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so I'm out at Colaba Causeway right now and let's try and vlog through it and see what great deals I can get and what's pretty much available at a really good discount. And this place is really famous for shoes, clothes, accessories, a lot of girl stuff, but let's see what we can find. So I'll see you through the vlog. Guys, so there are like a lot of accessories and things like that, but like denim jackets and denim shorts for girls are like 300 bucks. So that's not bad. And tops are like 100, 150, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I was actually recording for like a minute without hitting the record button, but anyway. So there are like watches and stuff, like first copy watches of Daniel Wellington or Audemars Piguet for like 200, 300 bucks. So that's a pretty good steal actually. And there are shorts, there are pants, there's a lot of accessories and clothes. So for like 300 bucks and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool. I think I end up picking like an elephant up from every place, but I got this really cool one. This is like blue, so it's actually quite nice. Got it for like 100 bucks, so that's pretty cool. Guys, you've got to check this out. There are some nice bottles that are painted here. It's so cool. Look really nice. Bowl is like pretty cool. So if you do that, it actually picks up sound. So it's actually nothing. Guys, there's so much of choice for accessories. There's like tons of stuff here. Like there's accessories everywhere. Like every second stall is like an accessory stall, and it's pretty cool actually, because I think if you're a girl, you have a lot of choice. It's not too much for a guy, but I picked up like the small elephant and I picked up a couple of fridge magnets. But that's pretty much it. So I haven't really found anything much myself. But you can get a lot of sunglasses, so that's something you can get. If you're into scarves, then you probably can pick up some of those. And you can get like first copy replica watches for like 200 bucks. And so that's fine. apart from that, along the causeway, you've got like a lot of these regular shops. But apart from that, you've got a lot of good deals. Like you've got slippers there. You've got tons of slipper shops. So that's like $200 a pair of slippers. You've got like Kolhapuri slippers for 300, 350. You've got more accessories there. Got tons of accessory shops actually. This one watch that I really liked is the Daniel Wellington copies. They actually look as good as the original because they're like first copy ones, so they are pretty cool. So that's pretty nice actually. They're very, very nice. Guys, so another thing that's really famous at the Colaba market is antiques. So you've got a lot of antiques that look almost like they're really old, but they're not. But that being said, they actually look pretty nice. This is one thing that's a little different and it's quite nice. They have these dream catchers, so that's pretty nice actually. So they've got a lot of these dream catchers at a lot of the shops, at the accessory shops, and some of them are very nicely made, so yeah. Literally walk and walk and walk and walk and walk and walk and walk, and there's so much to shop. So I needed to get, I'm really dehydrated, so I just needed to pick up some water. But yeah, there's so much to do at Colaba. It's actually really nice because if you can just walk and find, there's a lot of interesting things actually around here, so it's quite nice. And you honestly can find something for everyone around here, especially if you're looking for gifts. There's a lot of stuff. One thing I noticed that there are a lot of brands and stuff you would actually see in branded stores. The only problem is they might have a slight reject, a button might be missing or something like that. But that being said, like a 2,000 rupee dress would probably cost you somewhere around 150 to 200 bucks. So that's a pretty good steal. I mean, if you're willing to miss like a stud or a button and then you're willing to fix it yourself, you're getting something for about 2,000 bucks for somewhere around like 100, 150. So that's a pretty good steal. And so that's pretty much Colaba Causeway for you. And signing off from here, and I hope you liked the vlog. So I'll see you to the next vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you liked the video. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Guys, I think this is the only shop that I've actually found that has guys' shoes. So they have like copies of Gazelles and Superstars by Adidas, but I think that's the only shop I found that has something for guys. Like it's not a lot, but they have like copies of shoes for guys. So yeah, but apart from that, Colaba Causeway is all about the lady shopping stuff. There's not a lot of stuff that guys can get. There was one shop that I managed to find, like here again, you've got accessories and you've got pants and you've got all of that, but that's pretty much it. There is nothing for guys, trust me. Like you're lucky if you can find a shirt or one shoe shop, but that's pretty much about it. Okay guys, something I actually could find for myself. I'm probably not going to buy one because I've collected too many, but I found a shop that sells some really nice hookah jars. So I think that's pretty cool, but apart from that, nothing really for me. But it's not that bad, it's fine. Nice ones. Like down there. There's some nice hookah jars.